Hi, my name's Alfredo from the Upfirst team. In this video, I'm going to cover how an AI receptionist can cover calls for a towing company. So for the purposes of this video, let's imagine that we run Victory Towing and Recovery in Durham, North Carolina. There is a caller whose car is broken down at Lowe's and they want to be taken to AW's auto service. So this receptionist is going to calculate the distance between these locations, use that to create an accurate quote, share that with the caller who can then decide if they want a truck sent out to help them. So I'm going to go ahead and do a test call so that you can hear what that sounds like, and then I'll walk through the account setup end to end.
Hello. Thank you for calling Victory Towing and Roadside Assistance. I'm the team's AI assistant. This call is being recorded for quality assurance. How can we help you today?
Hey, my car's broken down. Could you send somebody out for me?
Sure, I can help with that. First, are you in the vehicle in a safe spot?
Yes, I am. I'm parked at a Lowe's.
Great. Where is that Lowe's located? Please give me the city or the street it's on so I can find it.
It's on Fayetteville and MLK in Durham.
Thank you. And where would you like the vehicle towed to?
Can we take it to AW's? It's on Carpenter Fletcher and 55.
Sure thing. One moment while I work out a quote for you. Please hold on. Thanks for waiting. Our truck is about 8 minutes from your car. The total trip is about 6.2 miles, and that comes to $119.68. Would you like us to send a truck?
Yes, please.
All right, I'll get the details we need. What's your name?
It's Alfredo Salkeld. Last name is Salkeld as in dog.
Thanks, Alfredo. What's the year, make, model, and color of your vehicle?
It's a 2011 Honda Accord. It's black.
Got it. What seems to be wrong with the vehicle? And is it drivable at all?
It's overheating. Each time I turn it on, it's not drivable.
Understood. Is the number you're calling from the best one to reach you at?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. So we'll pick up your black 2011 Honda Accord at the Lowe's on Fayetteville and Martin Luther King in Durham and tow it to AW's at Carpenter Fletcher and 55. We'll call you shortly at the number you're calling from to confirm how soon we can be there. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Thanks for calling. Have a great day.
And there you go. You'll see it got the distance correct and then was able to calculate a quote. Okay, so now I've popped over to my Upfirst account. When I click on the call, you see all of the details you need at a glance. The vehicle year, make, model, color, what price did we quote, the location that the vehicle is currently located at. You get a full transcript of the call, a recording of the call. And the same information can be sent to your drivers via text message. So how does all of this get configured? I'm going to share that with you, but I also want to say that Upfirst does have an onboarding team. So even if you're not the techie type, you're not very DIY, no worries, we can set this up for you. But it's not a black box. You can log into your account and see all of the training that we've given to the receptionist. So when you click on Agent, this is where you set the basics, like what do you want the receptionist to say when it picks up the phone? What do you want it to say when before it hangs up? You can set the voice, the speed of the voice, but the bulk of the configuration happens under training. This is where we've provided the receptionist with step-by-step instructions for how that call should flow. So for example, first make sure that the driver is safe, find out where the vehicle currently is, find out where they want it towed. If they don't give you enough detail, right? Like if the caller just says, oh, I'm at Lowe's, well, then you need to ask some follow-up questions in order to find out, well, which Lowe's are you currently located at? Then it calculates the quote, and only when they want to move forward does it then go through the process of collecting information about the vehicle and the caller. So how does it provide that quote? This is where custom actions comes in. Custom actions lets our AI receptionist system talk to third-party systems. So this is how you're able to make sure that the information you're providing is accurate. We have two custom actions in here. One calculates the tow trip distance. And for this, we are using Distance Matrix API. This is a third party that integrates with Google Maps data, and that's how it's able to calculate the accurate distance between locations. So we have a custom action that uses that API. It collects the caller's location, the drop-off location, and then that's how it's calculating the distance. Then, once it has the distance, it triggers the next custom action, which is to calculate the price. You really don't want to rely on LLMs, large language models, to do math. They're not designed for that. And that's why we then connect to another third-party system that takes the distance we've provided, runs it through your cost formula to provide the quote. We're using math.js. If you click the link in the description of the video, we will provide a full write-up for how to set up these custom actions within Upfirst. Again, this is something that our team helps with, but if you're the DIY type, you can set this up yourself. And there you go. There are essentially three pieces to this. Under training, you provide the receptionist with that call flow. And under custom actions, you have two custom actions, one that calculates the distance of the trip, and then one that takes that distance and does the math to provide a quote and give it back to the caller. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our team, and thank you for watching.